Antarctica is a fascinating place, and it might surprise you to learn that it's technically classified as a desert. Yes, you heard that right. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is the driest continent on Earth. When we think of deserts, we often picture vast stretches of sand and scorching heat, but Antarctica flips that idea on its head. The defining characteristic of a desert is its low precipitation, and Antarctica receives very little of it, only about 2 inches a year in some areas. To put that in perspective, that's less than many hot deserts like the Sahara. Most of the precipitation that does fall is in the form of snow, which accumulates over time, creating those massive ice sheets we associate with the continent. These ice sheets are not just beautiful, they're also critical to our planet's climate system. They reflect sunlight, helping to regulate the Earth's temperature. But here's the kicker. If all that ice were to melt, it could raise global sea levels by over 200 feet. That's a staggering thought, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the wildlife. You might think that a place as cold and dry as Antarctica would be devoid of life, but it's actually home to some incredible creatures. Penguins, seals, and a variety of seabirds thrive in this harsh environment. They've adapted in remarkable ways to survive the extreme cold and the long periods of darkness during winter. For instance, emperor penguins can withstand temperatures as low as -60 degrees Fahrenheit. And speaking of cold, let's not forget about the wind. Antarctica is known for its fierce winds, which can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. That's stronger than a Category 5 hurricane. These winds can create blizzards that make it nearly impossible to see just a few feet in front of you. Despite these challenges, scientists flock to Antarctica for research. It's a natural laboratory for studying climate change, glaciology, and even astrobiology. The ice cores drilled from the glaciers provide invaluable data about Earth's past climate, helping us understand how our planet has changed over millennia. Interestingly, the continent is also a hotspot for meteorites. The dry conditions and the stark white landscape make it easier to spot these space rocks, which can tell us a lot about the early solar system. So, while it may seem counterintuitive, Antarctica's status as a desert is a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet. It challenges our perceptions and invites us to explore the complexities of ecosystems that thrive in the most unexpected places. The next time you think of a desert, remember that it's not just about sand and heat. It can also be about ice and extreme cold. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of life and the mysteries that still await us in the most remote corners of our world.